Hi, I'm Kristen with KMG Handmade. Back again with another pattern for you. And this one I'm calling the Love Letter Trio. The uh, purpose of this design is to give you something that you can make quickly. It doesn't require a lot of materials or hardware. And maybe you just need a palette cleanser between big bag projects and you want something that is really fast to whip up and satisfying. This is going to be what I came up with for you. So we've got three different sizes with different purposes for them. So we have, starting with the wallet, we've got a wallet, and these you can make with or without card slots. You can see that they open up nice and wide. You get your cards in there. You can put cash in there. You can even put change in there. The overlap is enough that you're not going to lose anything out of it when you snap it down. Very quick to make. Comes with SVG files for everything in this size. So if you use a cutting machine, you can use those to cut out your raw edge pieces and make these up really fast. These are all fat quarter friendly projects. So if you've got a lot of fat quarters laying around, kind of fun to make up a bunch of wallets for a market or for gifts. Great to add an add-on to any custom bag orders that you're doing as a thank you. So that's the wallet. And then we have the multi-purpose case. This one is a medium-sized case, which would work great for any smaller smartphone. If you wanted just something to throw your phone in and maybe some cards or whatever, you could do that too. I actually made this one for my toppers. So when I travel, I have something to put extra toppers in. And again, it opens up wide. I can pop some toppers in there and they're going to be nice and protected. I use a little fleece in the body of this piece, so it gives it a little extra protection when I throw this in my bag. And then I used a keyring clip from my keyring hardware that I used on my wristlet bag. So this is the multi-purpose case. And then you have the wristlet. So this I made with a keychain hardware strap, and it's large enough to fit a large smartphone in. It has card slots as well, which are optional. If you want to make this a very quick bag, skip the card slots. You can fit a lipstick in there. This makes a great night out bag, or if you're going to an event, you can whip up something quick to match your outfit. So again, Love Letter Trio. It looks like a little envelope when it's all finished, but it's nice and slim. Fits easily in a larger bag if you wanted to carry this on with your larger bag. And they're just super fun to make. So I hope you really enjoy this project. Pick up your pattern at the link below and share them with me on our Facebook page when you get them done. Thanks.